Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adinda Mutiara Maharani. I'm from PBI 1 2018. Okay, in this video, I would like to retell the video that I have watched. It is about elements of design, the use of space and light. But we're going to be focusing on the use of color. Color is a key part of the success of any project, and it's the most personal and emotional of all the elements. Research has shown that there are patterns in the way people respond to color. Some of these responses are more physical, so that means are more universal, and others are more learned. The research comes from many types of studies. For example, psychological studies. Studies that look at how color affects body temperature, heart rate, brain activity, and emotional states. The color reading that assign talk about articles, the use of space, some psychological and philosophical aspects. Color states that the color of an environment can have a big effect on heart rate and emotional feeling, and he presents research to back up these ideas. For example, very bright colors, colors with a lot of intensity, especially red and yellow, tend to excite people more, while white or gray walls seems to cause the opposite reaction. They create a feeling of boredom or depression. According to Color, this is because they aren't stimulating colors for the eye and brain. Color also talking about general human responses, psychological responses that most humans have, that is psychological equals universal. There are also responses to color that taught by our culture. For example, pink is for girls, blue is for boys, that kind of thing. People from the same culture often respond to colors in the same way. Researchers have studied this psychological and learned responses to color in many ways, like how colors impact businesses like stores and restaurants, and in terms of customer buying behavior and service satisfaction. And then one thing to consider is the lightness or darkness. There is the value of color. For example, pink and burgundy are part of the same color family but are different values of red. When we use light and dark values together, it also called high contrast. It can create a really dramatic effect. Color clues in value make the environment calmer, and then the impact of color families like warm colors like red, orange, and yellow, those are stimulating and dynamic. Warm color also make a room feel slightly warmer. And then Vincent van Gogh said that yellow is wonderful because it stands for the sun. This is maybe a universal association. Cool colors like blues, greens, and violets, they're on the bottom left. Those tend to be calming. They are associated with relaxation and activities that require deep thought. Okay, now color harmony. It is the way colors feel together. Like blue, we mix blue with black to make navy blue. So most colors are actually a combination of colors. The small amounts of other colors, or black, white, or gray, they are mixed with the pure color. Those are called the undertones. Generally, different colors with similar undertones tends to harmonize the best. Usually, we evaluate the undertones of colors by value like lightness or darkness, or intensity like purity or dullness, or by their warmth or coolness. Okay, next, design are aesthetically pleasing and effective depending on the purpose of the space and the aesthetic of the people who will use the space. Joseph Albers, as an artist and teacher who studied and wrote a lot about color, he once said, and I quote, "In visual perception, a color is almost never seen as it really is, as it cyclically is." What Albert means is that color is seen differently depending on the surroundings, what other colors are close by, what light there is, and color is whatever we make it of it. Okay, I think that's all for my video today. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry for many mistakes, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.